This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice.
Good morning and welcome to Mighty Ox Trading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone's had a great weekend and ready for a great week. Our Canadian friends, happy Thanksgiving. So, NQ, ES, looks like they made pretty much the same moves overnight. ES dipped down to 58.50 and up to 58.74, so about 24 points in range. NQ, 383 for a low, all the way up to, ooh, look at that. Hit that trigger point perfectly. 526, so a little less than 150 points in range. Kappa, it's like about 140 ticks there in range. Good morning, market trends. How you doing? It's like about a point, a half a point there in range in the Ultra Bond. Not looking like it's doing a whole bunch. Gold, about mid-range. Looks like it's about 24 points in range there. Crude oil, big dip. 160 ticks in range. Natural gas coming down. Bitcoin having a good weekend, almost near 65K. So that's where I said stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take today. Market trading, can you tell me how I sound? I made some audio adjustments over the weekend. Is everything sounding okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You know, saw a quick climb up there, now a quick dip coming back down, giving that recent move up right back. It's a bank holiday today, so we could be very choppy. Still surprised that the CME is open on bank holidays. Just kind of interesting. So I don't think we have any news today at all. I'll take a gander just in case something's going to try to surprise us. Um, well, we do have a Fed speaker. Fed speaker at 9 a.m. Kashkar, I guess he didn't have anything to do on his holiday. So we wait. Chilly morning here in central Illinois as fall has arrived with a little taste of winter, honestly, coming this week. Getting down below freezing tomorrow night. Might, I don't know, may regret even just not just sleeping in today, even though it's a regular CME day. Right now, this doesn't look very fun. Hey Jay, um, yeah, I'm not gonna be doing that video for a couple more days. We'll see. Scott, the CEO of Fast Track, has promised me an interview, so I'm gonna give him a couple. I'm still, I pulled all the promotion. We're gonna see if Scott gives me that interview before I give my thoughts, because all my thoughts will be in that interview anyway. So that interview's been promised for a week now. I was told I'm still on the list. Supposedly he has like 5 interviews he's gonna do with people. So we'll see what happens there. If he doesn't soon do something where I can get that interview, then yeah, I'll just do the regular video on it. Up and then down. So yeah, that move overnight was a nice move. That rise up. We'll have to see if we get any type of movement today. Later today, I do have a video coming out though about MyFundedFutures, helping people choose their plan options. I appreciate you saying that, Jay. Thank you very much. Thank you. I never, I never thought you were. Little blue candle pop. Sitting here chilling. Excuse me. Pop up. I see. I hate it when it's slow like this. I mean, I saw that blue candle. It was everything about my plan, but yet I didn't know if I should trust it. I could have got 5 out of it. How was everybody's weekend? Since it's going to be slow today, I think we're going to need to find something else to chat about. All right, market trend. I appreciate being your entertainment as you drive to work. Oh, see, there was a nice pop. That blue candle would have worked. I should have just taken it. It was above my signal line. Yeah. We'll get another one, hopefully, once the market goes totally sideways from here on out, which would be really weird. Gold's dipping. Got some dipping dots over there. So, oh, I guess I need to connect. Oops, I was forgetting to do something. Okay. So I see that for some reason TradingView at they did some sort of update to their buy and sells. I wonder if their fills are any better. They added all the buy and sell buttons back. I've had to taking them off. I didn't put them on the charts myself. Let's see what it says. Change your account. I thought there was something. I don't know. I'll take control and manage orders directly on your chart. I don't know. Since it's slow today, I'm going to test out actually hitting the buy button on right here on TradingView and see how slow my fills are. Because I usually enter off the Tradovate because in the past I've always gotten crap fills. So let's see how it goes today. Not that those buy and sell buttons are going away again. Blue candle, do I trust that one? That's a good question. That's a great question. Waiting for something here. We might try that purple candle if it gets below the 9. We're not showing that it wants to do that. Last day, maybe, for the Bulenox sale. It's the sale that never ends. Their security certificate expired, but I believe they're still safe. They'll most likely be fixed when they come in the office. And we got our first 20 minutes in of the week. No trades yet. One that I could have had, but that was it. Bond market. Whoa, the bonds. Boop. It's kind of hanging here, doing nothing. Nothing at all. We'll have to see how this rolls out throughout the morning. If it stays this slow, I'll have to make a note not to trade next Columbus Day. I always use market. I mark it in. I guess it's a limit order when the target gets hit or the stop. Still bouncing on the 9. Elite futures traders. Good morning. Oh yeah, the Russell's making some nice moves. That was some nice trades right there. Hey Rod, good morning or good evening. I'm sorry. Rod down there in Australia. How was your weekend and your Monday? I took the short there, and that wasn't too bad. There's no automatic risk management on this. That's a little bit of an issue. But hey, Rod, are you getting chopped up a little bit? Remember, it's a bank holiday over here, so we're dealing with lesser volume. I'm still surprised the CME's open. Ah, guess I should have taken 6 ticks there. Maybe not. There we go. Stop at it. There we go. There's a nice purple. Come on, better. Come on, better. Let my fire. That'd be nice. Right now, I'm wondering why I woke up early. Not early, but just slept in. Come on, just do a nice little dead drop down to like say 508. Uh, it's literally a 5 tick stop here, so I guess I'm going to take the 5 ticks. Stop. I need to just get out when I see that opposite candle. But hey, maybe it's going to work out. Hold on. There we go. Taking it off for the 1 point win. Hey Chris, how are you doing? What the heck just happened? What did I do? Did I just accidentally close down my window? I did. How the heck did I do that? Did I? No. What the heck? Should I didn't put it over here? No, no, no. Okay. No idea how I just closed that down, but we'll find our way out. See if this is it. No, that's not it. It's here somewhere. There we go. If it loads, come on. There we go. Not sure how I did that, but okay. Should have held the drop. How about yours, Chris? How was yours? Yeah, I'm hoping there's something that's interesting. So far, I'm not real impressed. Hey, good morning, Matt. How are you? Yeah, my Discord has definitely become quite the hotbed of drama to the point that FTT now has two channels, one for the drama and one for just actual information. Uh, Never a dull moment in the prop world anymore. Never a dull moment. Someone poke the market to make sure it is still alive. Is the regular stock market open today? Yeah, it is. Okay. It's weird when the market, I still think it's weird that the market's open on a bank holiday. Yeah, can't wait for that. It's gonna be interesting to see how that changes everything. Morning, John, and happy Thanksgiving to you, my Canadian friend. And very sorry about the Tigers. By the way, everyone, I made some audio adjustments over the weekend. How do I sound? Do I sound better than normal, worse than normal, or just normal? Absolutely, John. Yeah, it's a good way to think of it. Oh, gold taking a drop. Boom. Morning, Crypticon. How are you? Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. I mean, I'm not real excited about New York versus LA, but yet I am excited about Shohei Ohtani versus Aaron Judge. It's a holiday crypt. It's going to be very choppy today, most likely, so you might want to be very, very careful and size down. Yeah, holiday, bank holiday in both our countries. Columbus Day. Big enough holiday for the banks to close, not a big enough holiday for the stock market to close. After the stream today, I'll be having a video coming out about MyFundedFutures and their 3 plans and which one is best for you. Why I recommend MyFundedFutures as my #1 recommendation. Also coming up this week, tomorrow I'll be interviewing a trader that goes by the name of Ben G. Not like Benji the dog, but Ben, capital G. Um, he's taken out uh, like over $300,000 in the last few months. Talking to him about his trading journey, how that money's changed his life, how he also took a really big loss a few weeks back. We'll talk about how he handles loss, all that good stuff. I'll be interviewing him tomorrow, and we'll hopefully have that up on Wednesday. Also planning on doing a video about the new straight to funded, direct funding, whatever your instant funding, whatever you want to call it, craze. As now we have no less than, I believe, 7, might be even be more than that, but I think it's 7 companies that now offer straight to funded. Also, there's a couple other videos I want to do. They're totally slipping my mind. I really, I used to use the to-do list, and I got away from that. I really need to go back to that. Yep, Perdia. Let's see if I can name them now. Fast Track, Tradeify, Perdia. Perdia actually had it before almost anybody else, but they updated theirs. Originally, theirs was like $2,200. Anyway, Tick Tick Trader, which was the very first. Profit Trade, Flexytrade, Next Gen. I think that's it. I feel like I'm forgetting one though. That might be it. I know Funded Futures families talked about it in the future. Yeah, okay, that'll be the 7. Take Profit Trader. They're they're like my #2, #3 firm, and they're my for as an affiliate this month. They're my #3 earner. They're everybody loves their 40% off and no activation fees. Ooh, where'd that come from? Pop. Blows through the highs of the day up to 530. I see NQ arising. I see profits on the way. Don't take a short tonight. I see profits on the rise. I've pulled all promotion for Fast Track. I just can't stand behind a company that's constantly threatening to dox anybody and then actually does it, um, that they don't like. Let's see, so we're at 5:30. We're less than 45 minutes till the bell. Fast Track. Uh, the owner's constantly threatening. Anytime someone says something he doesn't like, he threatens to dox them. He threatens to get all their personal information and put it online. Um, Yesterday he did dox somebody on Twitter. Those tweets have now been deleted after the guy had his lawyer send him a message. He's constantly threatening people. If you know they say something against him. So I mean, I was willing to look past his past criminal record and all that, but this constant threatening and telling people to f off and all this other stuff, it's gotten to be too much. He's totally unprofessional and yep, yep. I just can't keep supporting that. Not the same crimes like did he, but bad checks and uh, guess he took some stuff from a rental place. I don't know. I haven't really. It's all on my Discord, but I haven't done the deep dive into it because, like I said, I try to give people grace for their past, but this guy's not, earning the grace that I've tried to give. Still rising. How high will we go? believe ES is, yeah, ES is still at all time highs, or it hit a little bit higher a couple hours ago, but NQ still has a ways to go before all time highs. But yeah, 5 minute chart, that was an excellent candle. Gonna follow up a 5 minute. Just wrote this up. You know what? I just realized something. I still have not heard from Mr. G. He hasn't tweeted at all either. That's concerning. Hey, JC. How you doing? Doing good. Hanging here. Wish I had gotten that move up, but hey. Still trying to rise. Oh, it's the top of the hour. Do you have a Fed speaker on the docket for the top of the hour? I see nothing better to do in their holiday. Cash carry. Oh, look at that pop. Let's see. AQ's still rising. Yeah, I'm mad at myself. It's just when it's slower like this, you don't know if you should trust your signals. There's the top of the hour. Still rising. It's still going. Nothing outlasts the NQ. I assume Ace will be here today, but I'm not even sure. This whole holiday thing is messing everybody up. all the way up to 550. Maybe it's found the top here, 551. Everything's gotten so quiet. Sideways here for the last 4 minutes. Heading on up. Ooh, we to the deluxe. It's trying to bang its head here to get higher. Can it take us higher? Up, it can take us higher, up to 558. It's a great question. Oh, it's stiff neck today. If anyone's interested in Elite Trader funding, they brought their 85% sale back. $20 till the bell. We need to find something else to talk about because we're just watching NQ rise. Although gold's dumping now. Gold's been dumping, I guess. Wow. Kind of a slow grind down there. Ultravon bounce, but coming back down. Copper, low a day. Bouncing off trigger point. Crude oil, about mid-range now. $23% thing is weird. I don't know. I stopped promoting him for the longest time, and they asked me to promote him again. I don't like that they kind of screw over their affiliates, but I mean, other than that, I mean, they move you to live pretty quick, which is why I can't understand why they brought back 20 accounts. But I mean, they pay. As long as you adhere to that 23% in the sim funded and all that, you know, never heard of people not getting paid. Gang who pulls back to that 9 EMA. It's one of those days I look at the 9 EMA. Look at this. It got above the 9 EMA here. It kind of dipped under there, but okay. So let's say we use this blue candle here, and then just use the 9 EMA where a candle closed below it. We will get out, and you can see right now it'll be about 43 points. We 15 minutes till the bell. I don't expect RJ to be here, but he will be here Wednesday. All day. Remember, all day stream Wednesday from 8 to 4. Oh, wow. We all should have stayed in. This is obviously never coming down again. No. Excuse me. I'm mad at myself because, I don't trust these moves, but I tell my, if I go back and look and I chart out, anytime a blue candle touches the 9 EMA, I should go long. So you can see there's 4 blue candles like that. Not including this one that broke the bands, or even this one that broke the bands. But this one, this one, and this one. And they all could have been winners. And it's just like I get in my head that it can't keep going up, but my back testing keeps showing that it can keep going up, and I should just enter these, and I don't. 10 minutes till the bell. I bet you Ace is sleeping in today. Comes back down to the 9. Will it break it this time? That is the question. Oh, you guys wrong. Good morning, Ace. I thought maybe you might be sleeping in today. Hi, Mrs. Ace. Hope you're doing well. Uh, so again, we can probably expect a slower day here, with it being Columbus Day slash Indigenous Peoples Day here in America, and Thanksgiving in Canada. See how the bell treats us. We still have not heard from Mr. G. Last I heard from him was Wednesday at 12:35 p.m. before as the hurricane was bearing down on Tampa. He lives in Tampa. He has not sent out his daily tweets since then, and he has not responded to my messages, so I really hope he's okay. International Viking Day is held on May 8th. $76.25. It's a nice pullback here now. 566 down to 553. Are you wearing socks, Ace? Nice, Ace. Nice. Oh, not taking a trade this close to the bell. That purple candle was interesting. Let's see. Could have got a couple points. So far only one trade on the day, and I made a whole point off of it. as we watched NQ rise up, and I got nothing. So we're gonna change that after the bell. We're gonna do some revenge trading. No, kidding, kidding. Quick fall there at the open, bounces right back up. Let's see where it goes. Ah, there's a bounce. Look at that bounce. Our high day, 566 half, occurred just about 15 minutes ago. Just trying to make another run for it. Run for the border. New high by a point, and whips back down. Choppy. Not really. I mean, kind of. Yeah. 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 Ace is long. And Q, does it want 600? What's your entry, Ace? In a year. So even on a holiday, he gets freaking 5 points. Ah. Still rising. Ooh, up to 591. Market is happy, happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy. Up, just touch 600. Bounces back up. 8.6 is a good for a holiday. Really good. You've been having a bunch of days lately where we're getting more than two, Ace. You're doing excellent. You need to treat that very demanding and persuasive woman of yours to a nice dinner. Still rising. Oh yeah, you did an escape room or something, didn't you, this weekend, Ace? I take it you escaped. If not, it was very nice of them to allow you to bring your trading rig. Oh, wow. I'm sorry. Time moves fast. God, I can't keep up with things anymore. Took the short and it just bounced on me. I should have took 5 points. Darn it. Gonna move our target to the 9. Let's see what happens. There we go. Come on down. There we go. Target hit. I'll take that. 7 points. 7.5 points. There we go. I'll take that. Absolutely. Our ATR is still under, as well, it's at 10 now. Ooh, look at that bounce. Here's my number. Call me maybe. Still sitting on this 9. Trying to break through. If it's purple and it breaks through the 9, I'll take the short. This is crazy. But here's my number. Call me maybe. Was not a purple candle. Did not get below the 9. Gold's heading back up, it looks like. Yeah, nice bounce on gold there. Nice bounce on copper as well. Crude oil, kind of choppy, but trying to head up. Natural gas falling like a rock. Bitcoin's also happy today, almost at 65K. Blue candle. Do I want to trust it or not? I should have. Again, blue candle on the 9. It says take it. All my back testing says take it, and I could have got 10 points. I just got to start taking those blindly and stop doubting them. Anyone else taking any trades? Nice, Chris. Arturo, I don't believe I recognize your name. If you've been here before and I've just forgotten you, I apologize. I'm old. Not welcome to the stream and the channel. Nice job on scalping that one for 10. Oh, another boost up there, now up to 613. Nice job. Again, John, I really feel like you do a lot better manual trading than those algos you continue to try. Look at this. Let's continue. Look at this, a crazy 5-minute chart. Look at this. And this blue candle here, just look at that. It's gone over 100 points. Had that little bit of a pullback and then whoosh. Well, the trigger point has next level is up at nearly 700. It looks like 682 is what the trigger point has. It had, you can see here, it did hit this trigger resistance line perfectly. That's pulled back and then burst through the second time. Arturo, if you don't mind, I always like to ask new people questions, but you don't feel any need, don't have, easy for me to say. You don't have any obligation to answer me. You can just tell me to shut up. But I always like to know how long someone's been trading, how long they've been trading futures. Uh, Obviously, you like to trade NQ, but do you trade any other assets? And are you using prop firms or your own money? But again, just tell me to shut up or ignore me, and we don't need to know. And after my after the stream today, about 15 minutes after we end, I'll have a video going up about MyFundedFutures. They brought a new plan out at the beginning of the month. I will go through all three of their plan types and help people decide which one is best for them. Because I do consider, I think everyone should have MyFundedFutures as part of their prop firm game. Still rising. 646 is the high. Everybody blows evals. Don't even ask me how many I've blown, so don't feel bad about it. Good company, Tradeify. I like Brett. It's flirting with a purple candle here. Big old purple candle now. It's 10 points. See how it finishes. Remember, it's not how it starts, it's how it finishes. And it's not going to finish well. So, next. Ah, sitting here. 650 is the high. Ace, is there school today or are you on bus duty? I thought schools were closed today. What do I know? I know nothing. Hanging here just below the highs. Can't decide where it wants to go. Good morning, Platt. I'm glad you got your connection issues fixed. Feels like it wants to pull back here, but it's not sure. I have days like that. Oh, nope, I guess not. Another pop. I might be getting up to that 682. $64. Can it take us higher? Can it take us higher? We won't tell Ace how high the ES is gone. Just about the top of the hour. Well, the trend is your friend, folks. This is a great day. Got to think Mr. Burrell, sorry, is probably enjoying this, assuming he's trading today. Look at that. There's that trigger point. You can see it now. No, it's getting close, but pulling back a bit. Looks like I was off a little bit on it. Looks like it's about 687. Trying a quick short just down to the 9. I was in late though, so just like the setup of that candle. It's not going lower. That might have been a mistake on my part. We'll see. Getting in late was the mistake. I got in 5 points late. Wow, how did I do that? So on. Took it off for 3 ticks. Purple candle trying to form there, but I need to, again, I need it below the 9. You can see how the 9 has been respected this entire move up. Ooh, there's a drop. It's below the 9. Let's see how it finishes. Nope, pops right back above. See how it finishes. There's 10 seconds on this candle. Oh, look at that. Back to green. Hanging at 660. There's a drop. Took a short because it finished below that 9. Let me see. Bouncing on me right away though. Come on. There we go. I'll take that. 6 3/4 points. I'm being a little cautious today. I got this account in a lot of trouble on Friday, so I'm just trying to take little bites to build it back up. We're up 281 today on perfect trading, I think. Yeah, 4 out of 4. Thank you, Ace. And continue to pull down. So I could have stayed in, and it should have, but that's okay. Yeah, not bad, John. Would like the trades to be a little bit bigger, but back up to the 9. Could be. I would think so. Can't keep going up forever. Of course, there's probably people that took a trade on NQ at like 10,000 that said that. So I didn't take that purple candle on the MyFundedFutures account, but I did take it on a topstep account. See my topstep there. This is a funded topstep account, and it's bouncing on me. I'm going to get out there for a small gain. Ended up being 3 points, but this is a funded account. I'm now up $249 on 129 today. So altogether, I'm 6 for 6 today. Now, why didn't I take that on the MyFundedFutures account? Well, I said this cancel and I'm in trouble. And you can see here, my indicators telling me we're a little oversold here. I don't like that term, but like when the signal line and the RSI line get 30 more than 30 apart, it tells me it's going to bounce, and you can see it is bouncing now. So I took that on the top step and could have got 10 points total if I had gotten in right at the right time, but that's okay. From our high of 680, we've pulled back about 40 points. There's another purple candle there, and I should have grabbed that one, but I was responding to somebody on Discord. That was a good one. Again, it was off the 9. Still falling. Now we've fallen about 60 points. continuing to fall. It's that 100 EMA. Look at that. Perfectly, and then bounces. So it got back under 600. So to answer your question, John, it looks like we're heading down. Blue candle. Let's see how it finishes. Nope, went away. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Gold really falling too. Wow, look at that. Look at that beautiful purple candle there on the 5. That was, oh my goodness. Crude's dumping. Everything all of a sudden got really, really sad. Jacks down off the 9. See what the hourly charts look like. We're down 56 points on this hour candle after going up 131 in the last hour. This blue candle finishes above the 9. I'm interested. Twenty EMA is not far away. See, at 626. Look at that. Dipped back below the 9, back up. I did not take it. I'm probably gonna regret it. I didn't like the fact that it finished kind of weak. We'll see. Excuse me. Sorry. Usually I mute for a cough. I didn't get there in time. I'm gonna regret taking these blue candles. Should have taken the first one, honestly. That would have got me my 10. All right, Crypticon, just be careful. Regret not taking this long here. Nice move back up. John, did you get out of your trade for profit? Makes sense. Good job, Crypt. Hey, Burrell, did you catch that move up? Pulls back here. Pop up. Sitting about 642. Gold tried to bounce a bit. Crude oil. Huh? Bond setting up. Remember, folks, Bulenox 90% again scheduled to end tonight. Will it end? It's not a question I can answer. Blue candle pop. I'm interested in that. Let's see. Comes up, pulls back slightly, then tries to continue up. Looks like we might. It might have just been a huge pullback, and we want to try and get back up. Let's see. See how this candle finishes. It's got 15 seconds on it. I didn't really like it. It was more wick than body, or about half and half. There we go, coming down. Or maybe it's kind of bouncing on the 9. Another blue candle. Really trying to tempt me here. About 25 minutes to go. How's everybody doing today? Red, green, somewhere in between. We're long off that blue candle. Not looking good so far. Nah, stopped out. First stop out of the day. I was iffy about it, and I should have stayed iffy. I should have stayed out. Green is good. Pops up. Isn't that interesting, John? And you should consider that fact when, because I know you're in this constant state of flux about whether or not you want to quit your job and trade full time versus keeping the job, and which is of course the safe thing to do, and just continuing the current path. So it's just another piece of information for you in making that decision. Well, I mean, yeah, but John, he knows that, and he knows he would need to. I think he already has X amount saved and all that. I mean, guy makes several $100s every day. He very, very rarely has a red day. Yeah, crap. I was hoping you were only going to take that one trade, but good luck. It's very iffy here. Maybe this is working out though, crap. There you go. Yeah, did they kind of try and get you in go into bigger into futures a long time ago, Joe? Bird is the word. Purple candle. Not the cleanest. Ooh, that's a. Ooh. We call the short crypt. Have you gotten target yet? Coming out at quarter after, 15 minutes after the stream ends. I'll be having a video coming out about MyFundedFutures and why you should definitely have MyFundedFutures in your futures prop firm portfolio, and which of the three plans is best for you. Nice little pop back up. Blue candle. Eh, not trusting it there. Let's see. Another big drop. Nice call again, Crypt. Again, I hope you take profit soon because it seems to be keeps kind of pausing at the same area. What do I know? Oh, there we go. It's continuing to fall. 100 EMA sitting at 610. Good luck on that, Crypt. There's 602. That's pretty close, Crypt. Good job, Crypt. It's a great trade, though. Great call. What was your entry on that, Crypt? Ooh, nice trade, Crypt. Don't worry about those extra couple of points. You did great. Maybe try to bounce here to find the bottom. Let's see. Got down to 74 quarter. Blue candle. Trying to form a blue candle. I took the long. What ended up not being a blue candle, but hops up, comes right back down. There it goes. Target hit, 10 points. 588 to 598. That's a nice way to end the day. Hey, William. Just wondering where you were. How you been? Thank you, John. Oh, really? What was your weird platform glitch issue? With what platform? Which one, William? Profit trade? Yeah, profit trade tick tick. And having Rob Casilli do a video about them helps with that as well. Yeah, it's because they're based in Dubai. Still falling. Ooh, ooh. She, as in Kellyanne. Ah, so that's why TradingView. I don't trade off TradingView. I mean, I did actually do it once today because they've added these buy sell buttons back to my chart, even though I took them off. But so I decided to see whether or not things are any better. I always used to use Tradeify. Have a great day, John. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a great Thanksgiving. Oh crap! It is after 10. After 11. Yeah, we've reached the end of our time. I wasn't even paying attention to the time. Wow. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Wow, look at the market just die. Anyway, we'll see you all tomorrow. And thank you, William. Appreciate that. We have a video about MyFundedFutures coming out in about 15 minutes. Hope you all check that out. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.